Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all can see me good. I hope y'all can hear me good. But anyway, so today I'm going to be doing a wig review for y'all. And this wig was sent to me by a Amazon company. I will list the link to it below. I'm so sorry y'all. Kai is right here clicking my stuff. Anyways, girl, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this wig install, and I'm gonna tell you guys about it as I do the install. So let's just get started, y'all. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit about the wig and what I think about it. So I think the color is gorgeous. I love the color. The way that it's curled, I don't know. I guess it's okay if you're gonna comb it out. I like the combed out look better than the tight look. But yeah, now the shedding, I don't know if I told y'all, but y'all, this is a synthetic wig. The shedding is on a scale of 1 to 10. I'm gonna give it a 7. No, I'm gonna give it an 8 because I really want to give it an 8, but I'm just trying to, you know. But as you can see, I'm not getting much tangling. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm not getting much tangling at all. Once you comb it out, I guess a lot of the shading comes from that initial comb out that you would do, because like just combing it like I was just doing, like I didn't get any shedding or anything like that. So but beware, like it is synthetic, and synthetic wigs do shed, so it is normal for a synthetic wig. But synthetic wigs are really cute and easy and affordable, girl. Yeah, I love that I can run my hand through it and it not get tangled. um but let me show y'all how long it's hitting on me real quick. So, and then for the back, all in all, my thoughts about this hair, I think this wig is a good affordable synthetic wig with big curls. It's giving me very much holiday vibes, so I am really happy that I picked out this color. With laying the lace, y'all, I'm not even gonna lie, it was hard because like you only have like this much lace, like you don't get like a lot of lace. But you know, with a lot of synthetic wigs, like they might just give you like the parting area. So it goes from here to here. I added some concealer to it to make it look natural, as well as try to swoop a little baby hair. But girl, it's this side that's really giving me trouble. But yeah, like I was saying, the color is gorgeous. But like when adding baby hairs, like I guess you can you know, add a little bit more baby hair. But y'all, I'm just feeling like I should layer this, but then again, I don't feel like curling it, so I'm just gonna leave it like this. But as you can see, it's a really cute color. It doesn't even have black roots. These are more like a light brown. So yeah, if you like lighter colored hair, I think this will be gorgeous for you. Me personally, I would like it if the root was a little darker, but it's still okay the way they faded the two colors in. Like, I could get used to it, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But very cute hair, very nice for photo shoot vibes. I want to thank the company for sending me this wig. As you can see with the wig construction on the cap, you got two combs, and then well, you have the two combs and then the adjustable strap. Me, I'm not using the comb or the adjustable straps just because I have a big head. And it's big head friendly, y'all. I forgot to tell y'all, it's big head friendly. But I'm just playing with it, really. I love that it's big head friendly though, but I'm just gonna play with it to kind of see what I can get going, because I do want to take some really cute pictures in it. I love when I receive wigs, y'all. Alright, y'all, so this is the wig. I would say it's on a medium density. Like, it's not too thick, but it's definitely not too thick, but it's not too thin either. It's like they give you the right amount of hair or whatever. But yeah, that's basically it for this wig review, y'all. I'm gonna list the link to it below so that y'all guys can see it. It came really quick and it came from Amazon. I literally ordered like a lot of stuff from Amazon because I just love Amazon. Like, Amazon is the best, okay? So with that being said, I hope you guys like this video. My little baby here trying to come up. I hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what y'all think about this wig, y'all. And y'all, it's not, well, I guess you can say it's shedding. It's just that hair is everywhere. I hate when hair is everywhere, y'all. Like, I hate when hair is everywhere. But other than the shedding, y'all, it's a pretty cute wig. The color is really nice and simple and subtle, but still cute and holiday vibes. Like, you can finesse it real nice to make it look really cute. See, I like that. But anyways, I'll talk to y'all later. Let me know if y'all want me to do more wig reviews. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Instagram. Any companies that want me to review, my email and stuff is below. Just send me an email and we can do business. But yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.